Mastering foil, a key word for IELTS success. Imagine a master chef carefully wrapping a succulent roast in shiny metal, or a cunning detective thwarting a criminal's elaborate scheme. In both scenarios, we encounter our word of focus, foil. This versatile term is essential for IELTS candidates aiming for that coveted band score 9.0, so let's unpack its meanings and usage. Word type. Foil can function as both a noun and a verb, adding to its flexibility in the English language. Meaning, as a noun, foil primarily refers to a thin sheet of metal, often used for wrapping food. However, it has several other important definitions. In literature, a foil is a character who contrasts with another character, typically the protagonist, to highlight particular qualities of the main character. In fencing, a foil is a light sword used in the sport. As a verb, to foil means to prevent the success of a plan or attempt. Word history. The word foil has an interesting etymology. It comes from the Old French word feuille, meaning leaf, which in turn derives from the Latin word folium. This connection to leaves is evident in the thin, sheet-like quality of metal foil. Antonyms. While foil as a verb meaning to thwart or prevent doesn't have direct antonyms, some words with opposing meanings include facilitate, aid, assist, and enable. Synonyms. For the verb form, synonyms include thwart, frustrate, counter, defeat, and obstruct. As a noun referring to the metal sheet, alternatives might include film or leaf, though these are not always interchangeable. Examples used in sentences. Let's explore how to use foil in various contexts. The chef carefully wrapped the fish in aluminum foil before placing it in the oven. In Shakespeare's Hamlet, the character Laertes serves as a foil to Hamlet, highlighting the prince's indecisiveness through his own decisive actions. The security team managed to foil the attempted bank robbery, catching the criminals in the act. Athletes practice with foils before moving on to more advanced swords in competitive fencing. Common errors in use. One common mistake is confusing foil with foible. While foil can mean to thwart, foible is a minor weakness or eccentricity in someone's character. Another error is using foil incorrectly in idioms. For example, the phrase is to fall for something, not to foil for something. To truly master the use of foil, incorporate it into your own language practice. Whether you're describing culinary techniques, analyzing literature, or discussing crime prevention, this word offers rich opportunities to showcase your vocabulary prowess in the IELTS exam. Remember its varied meanings and contexts, and you'll be well equipped to use foil with the precision expected at band score 9.0.